are having a Spartan race sprint weekend. So the course is 3.2 miles. We have 20 obstacles distributed throughout the entire course. We have A-frame where they climb up and over. We have a cliff climb where they go up the side of embankment. We have a sandbag carry. We also have a bucket carry, and we have monkey bars and multi-rig, all these different things where they swing, just all kinds of cool stuff.
I'm just excited. I came with my best friend to have a fun. We've been training for almost 2 years, so let's see what is happening.
Excited, nervous, ready to crush it, full of energy. We're just ready to go.
My first Spartan race ever. Woo! I got a little dirtier than I thought I would, but it was such a challenge and so much fun. With my friends, my husband, it was a really fun challenge to do together.
It was hard, but we did it, and I have my teammates to kind of hold me up, so it was a good one.
I've been running a couple races this year, and I'm looking forward to doing more Spartan races, and everything's falling into place right now.
There were these heavy bags that just were like 60, 70 pounds that took me a while to do. It's hard, but it's worth it at the end.
Well, since it was my first time and I was late, I wasn't able to run with my friends, but it was cool to see other people lift other people up and push other people. That was very cool to me.
I'm just grateful for the founder of Spartan and what he has provided for people to just live out their dreams, live out their passions. We are grateful for you.